Good day, y'all. My name is Yusuf Benjapri. I'm a consultant at 2B Advice GmbH, and I'm excited to introduce the possibilities of RoPA Digital as part of this training. Let's log in once. As soon as you see the dashboard, you're logged in. The homepage is split into three main sections. The dashboard, the centerpiece of RoPA Digital. Here we have all the important info at a glance. You can add widgets to quickly and easily check specific info in a streamlined manner. To do that, we click on Add Widget here, and then we choose the desired widget. And drag it to the respective position on the dashboard. By clicking on the three little dots here, we can modify this further. Click on the Settings option, and now we can enter a greeting text here, for example. Click on the Done button to finalize and save all of the changes that we have made, ensuring that our modifications are successfully applied and retained. Located at the top is the top bar. Here, we encounter a bar containing various functions, such as the search bar, the notification center, which provides us with updates on the actions we perform, direct access to the RoPA digital knowledge base, and the settings. On the right side, we can observe the user account we are currently logged into and have the opportunity to make additional adjustments in our profile, modify our organization, and log out of the system. The left sidebar contains a navigation menu that allows access to the various areas of the software. From here, we can easily navigate to the desired functions and settings. Proceed to Client Area. Go to Relevant section in sidebar on left. Here we see the different items that have been specifically created for the organization. We can check and edit these. To do that, click Name. So we can accordingly extract or edit the various information. With. Up in the filter bar, we can search for clients more specifically. Here you will receive a detailed overview of the different items that have been specifically created for each individual procedure. Consider this area as the first, second to last, third to last, fourth to last, fifth to last, sixth to last, sixth to last, fifth to last, sixth to last, fourth to last, sixth to last, sixth to last, fourth to last, sixth to last, sixth to last, fourth to last, sixth to last control hub for procedures. Here you have the option to create new procedures, view the procedures that already exist, or edit or delete them. Here we once again have the option to export the current list by clicking the button in this location. It's like the control center for all your procedures. We see the title of the respective procedures as well as a brief description, the status, and additional information such as which department is responsible for a procedure. For instance, if we click on a department, we have the option to view an overview of all the procedures that are responsible for the selected department. This enables us to gain a comprehensive understanding of the processes and their role within the operations of the department. Let's dive into a process. To comply with the law, we have 8 sections in RoPA Digital for documentation. Each of these points plays a crucial role in effectively managing your processes within the software. I'll provide more detail on the areas. Let's start with the description section. Here, we save an overview of the procedure. Includes procedure title, depth, status, and detailed description of data processing. Required fields in RoPA Digital marked with blue asterisks. In the section Legal Basis, we can select the legal basis that justifies the data processing, because every processing of personal data requires a legal basis. Furthermore, we also have the opportunity to attach relevant documents in the lower section of the form for added convenience. Moving on to the responsibility. This section allows you to select the contacts who are responsible for the processing activity or have relevant knowledge about it. Can we add the corresponding departments or companies here? In the General Information section, we have the opportunity to determine the purpose of the processing and can define the categories of processed data and set their retention periods. Establish deletion deadlines. Also, provide data recipients and other involved parties if relevant. Also, if needed, it's possible to define a cross-border data transfer accurately. In the ADTOL Info section, you have the chance to provide additional information to enhance the processing activities. First of all, in the upper section, we can document the individuals or groups who have access to the processed data. Alternatively, we can document below if notification is needed for the affected person or specify the reason if no notification is required. As we move on to the next section, System Info, let's do it just once. This is where you can provide a description of the system where the data is stored and also upload any additional documents that may be required. The DPA section allows for the conduct of a preliminary data protection impact assessment to determine if a full examination is necessary for the procedure. In the future, there will be an option for a full data protection impact assessment. To make, click Add Once. And click our way through the given questions. These obviously affect the outcome of whether a comprehensive data protection impact assessment is necessary, which can be viewed below. In the lower part, we can add more docs, like a pre-conducted impact assessment if applicable. Lastly, there is the choice to include extra notes in the section designated for notes. After finishing the steps, the documentation of the processing activity is successfully completed. In addition to processing activities, we can access the involved parties in the left sidebar. In this context, we are presented with the opportunity to view, create, or edit various parties that are involved in a process, such as in the case of joint responsibility or when processing orders and ensuring smooth operations. That's how various information about a party is defined and displayed next to it under processing activities, showing the respective processing activities for the selected party for the purpose of a simple overview. Furthermore, in the sidebar on the left-hand side, you can find a variety of useful links, such as quick access to the Federal Data Protection Act or the General Data Protection Regulation. As you noticed in the video, there are many different tools available in various areas to ensure the compliance of your data protection management.